Nature is full of wonder and amazement. Here are the top 5 most incredible facts about the natural world. Number 5. The world's largest desert, the Sahara, is actually expanding due to climate change and human activities. Number 4. The tallest mountain in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, which is over 22 kilometers, 14 miles high, 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Number 3. The largest living organism on Earth is a fungus called Armillaria ostoi, which covers an area of over 2,200 acres in Oregon's Blue Mountains. Number 2. The longest mountain range in the world is the Andes, which stretches over 7,000 kilometers, 4,300 miles, along the western coast of South America. And finally, the most incredible fact of all, the largest animal in the world is the blue whale.